Okay, so today I'm in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. This is the part 2 of my favorite neighborhoods in New York. This might be a little controversial, but I see Sunset Park as the Jackson Heights counterpart of Brooklyn, if that makes sense. The reason is that there's a big community of Mexican, Puerto Rican, and Chinese here. But before I walk around Sunset Park, let me get my Pokeball first. This is my favorite poke spot. Like, look at that. It's so gorgeous. And it fills you up. I got the 2 proteins for $11. Then I went to Tanda in 7th Avenue to get the Vietnamese lemonade. You guys should try that. It's so good. It's salty and sour and a little bit sweet and fizzy. I kind of regret drinking this now because it's kind of cold when I went to Sunset Park today. I don't know why I have this video of me drinking it, but yeah, that's a demonstration. Forget Joe's steamroll. This has the best rice roll, Hong Kong dim sum. Sunset Park has a lot of these fruit stands, fresh fruits, and fish. I know you might think it's unhygienic, but no, it's not. This is part of the charm of Sunset Park. So if you're gonna be like nasty in the comments, I'ma fucking delete that shit, okay? And I also have to get the egg tart. You know, a trip to Sunset Park is not complete without this. It's so good for only $1.50. Now we're entering 5th Avenue of Sunset Park, where there's a lot of Latinos in this area. Specifically Puerto Ricans and Mexicans. Cakes in this bakery used to be good, but I don't know what happened. It's not so good anymore. But I still go. Love this neighborhood because there's a lot of street arts and also street vendors. Such a change of scenery from 8th Avenue to 5th Avenue. You're like transported into 2 different countries. This is my favorite taco spot in Sunset Park. There's also one that I'm gonna show you guys later. It's Tacos El Bronco. It's, you know, I think the best tacos in Sunset Park. Or even the whole New York. There you go, I found it. Tacos El Bronco, so good. 5 out of 5. And you gotta get your La Isla Cochifritos. I hope you guys enjoy the Sunset Park tour. I know it's a little messy, but we love a messy tour because nothing is perfect, you know? Bye-bye.